Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Today I want to talk to you about what other people think of you. It's such a big, important topic. You've got a history, a childhood history of what your parents, brothers, and sisters thought of you, what people at school thought of you, what teachers thought of you, what your friends thought of you. What people, then when you grow up in your social circle think of you, what people that you're trying to influence or impress think of you. Oh my gosh, the list goes on. And then of course you're being fed information all the time of how you're supposed to be, how you're supposed to look, how you're supposed to appear from media, all kinds of media. So I just want to let you know that you can notice any of those thoughts or feelings and change them really easily. You can notice, oh, somebody in social media didn't like whatever, or unfriended me, or said something negative about what I said, or one of my friends didn't return my call. What is happening? Or you might just hear things in your head all the time about how you're supposed to be, how you're supposed to look, what you're supposed to do. So any of those things, notice and do TAT about it so you are a free soul. So you are free to be yourself. You're not imprisoned by, what do other people think of me? What is going to happen if I wear this to the party? Or if I appear in public and say this? What are they going to think? What is going to happen to me? So notice, how do you feel in your body when that's going on? What are the thoughts you have? What are the emotions, fears, feeling isolated? What's going on? Take all that stuff, put it in a pot, which means all the stuff that you're going to be working on, you just throw it all together with TAT and work on that. That's what I call in the pot. And then do TAT. Do it about all that stuff so you can be you, so you can express your unique self. There is no one who is you. Only you are you. Only you can contribute what you feel, what you have, what you see, how you are. That's your unique beauty, your unique contribution to all of us. So set yourself free from what other people think of you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.